Welcome back. Now, Microsoft Excel will allow the manual creation of formulas inside of any cell. So for example, if we place our cursor in any cell, we can start the creation of any calculation or formula by starting with the equal sign. Once we have that equal sign, we can type in any number. We can then type in the symbol for the action. So in this particular case, for multiplication, we would use the asterisk. We can then type in another number, and then we can click enter, and you'll notice then that we have the value for that information. What we can also do is we can take one of those numbers and we can multiply it by the value in a cell. So for example, what we're going to do to edit this cell is we're going to go to the address bar, we're going to delete the number, and instead we're going to take our cursor and click on a specific cell. So now we have the number 9, the asterisk sign for multiplication, and then we're going to be multiplying by the value in this cell. And you'll notice then that the value goes up. What we can do then is we can change the value in that cell so that we change the total value. So for example, if we went to this cell and we change the value, you'll notice then that the value of this number changes because we changed the value in this cell. Now again, this is all due to a manual formula that we created. Of course, we can change this from multiplication to addition. And all we need to do is to change the symbol, and the value will change. We can also do more complex equations. So for example, what we can do with this equation is we can put it in parentheses just as we would in a typical order of operations case. We can then take the whole product and then multiply that by the value in a particular cell by clicking on the cell. We then click this button, and then you'll see a different value come up here. We can then change the value again by taking out this number in this case, and then changing that to a value that we have in our sheet. We then click enter, and the value changes again. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.